Hi there and welcome. This is Ryan. Today in this video I just want to talk about something small. When you look on the screen right now, you see our server is not able to full or to be viewed on the full screen. When we want to see things below, we have to scroll up and down, up and down. So to enable these features, we're supposed to install guest addition. So we go to device and we go insert guest addition, see the image. We'll click on it. As you can see down here on SATA, this is the image. We will navigate to this folder so that we are able to install this VirtualBox guest addition ISO. Okay, we'll go to a file. You see these are the VirtualBox. So we are supposed to install this so that we are able to view our server on the full screen. Okay, we'll install the 64-bit. Click OK, OK, and install. When it's done installing this VirtualBox guest addition, we will have to reboot our server so that it takes the precedence, or it takes on the installed guest additions, that is to be viewed, to be able to be viewed on the full screen. Alright, I'll say reboot now. So when we reboot our server or any virtual machine that you install on Oracle, it will be viewed on the full screen. Okay, let's see. Put in the password. Enter. Okay, let's see. Full screen mode. Yep. As now you can see now, we are able to view our server on the full screen. There's no more scrolling down and up like before. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so we can grow this channel together, and also like. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.